everyone, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today I have another amazing beauty find for you. Now this isn't a new beauty find for me. I have been using this product for I would say maybe 5 years now, maybe even more. But I've shared this in a couple of my videos and you guys are always like, what is that you put on your face at the end of you doing your makeup? So I thought I would share one of my quick little videos and share this one product with you guys. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, don't forget to look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is by Mally Beauty. It's her Evercolor Poreless Face Defender. And basically what this is, it's a sheer, it's not a powder, but for those of you that don't like to use powder like me, it is a sheer product that will completely replace all of your translucent powders or any kind of finishing powders. But the thing that I love about it, if you have oily skin like I do, or even if you don't like the way your pores look around your nose, or maybe you don't like the way your fine lines and wrinkles look, or maybe you don't like the way your lipstick starts to bleed around your lip lines, this is a product that I like to use to not only set my makeup in place, but I also like to use it to kind of press on these areas where I have more fine lines and wrinkles, and it almost gives like a blurring appearance on my fine lines and wrinkles. The one thing I absolutely love is the way it makes my pores look, and if I ever do have a little too much shine, I love the way it takes that shine down without leaving any type of powdery look on my face. It comes in this super cute little pink compact. I have this size and then I even have smaller sizes for travel. It has a nice size mirror in it, and you can see it's not a powder. Let me just try to zoom in super close here. So you can see it's not a powder. It almost just feels like a piece of rubber or something. And if I can zoom in, you can see there's like nothing on my finger, but my finger, it's like super smooth on my finger where I just touched it. So mine's dirty, I need to wash it, but it comes with this sponge, and it even has a cute little like a carrying bag that it comes in. And all you do is you just rub the product in here, and as you can see, pretty much nothing comes off. This is, you know, my foundation that's on here. You don't rub this on your face, you press it in. So you see how I like have a little shine here and pores. I should have shown you this when my face already has a lot of shine, but it's not too shiny today. I just press it on this area here, and there's no rubbing at all. I'm just pressing. I even get it all the way up underneath my eyes and around here. And I don't know if you can see the difference. It just kind of fills in my pores. It just makes everything look more flawless and polished. So if you are like a super dry skin person, this is probably not going to be a product for you, but if you are one of my oily skin gals, you will probably love this. This just kind of meshes with my skin. It's not greasy, it just feels nice and soft. I don't want to rub it hard and wipe off my makeup, but it just meshes with my skin. It kind of seals the makeup in place. Let's just zoom out so it's not so scary. And I still, you know, have a glow from underneath, but it just really refines the look of my pores. So if you have large pores, if you have oily skin, or if you don't like these wrinkles, or before I've done my lipstick, sometimes I'll take the edge of it and rub it on here, and then I'll just kind of press it around my lips. I don't want to do it now because it'll take off my lipstick, but it will also help your lip liner and your lip gloss and your lipstick stay on even longer. There's a couple other brands that have something very, very similar to this, they don't compare. This is just something, like I said, I've used it for like 5 years. I've probably bought 10 of these, maybe 7, I don't know. And I just wanted to share a quick little way to make your makeup look a little more flawless. This is not a face powder, so for those of you that don't like powder, you might want to give this a try. And if you want your makeup to just look natural, but you still want something to put over top of your makeup to kind of seal it all in, or for people with the larger pores and you just kind of want to tone down that shine sometimes, this is a really great product for that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, just look down below and tap on that subscribe button. And if you want to make sure you get notified each time I do upload a new video, make sure you tap on that little notification bell as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.